In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wpforms to Elementor submissions. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly connect your forms from Wpforms to your beautifully crafted Elementor pages, you're in the right place. Let's dive in together and walk through this straightforward process. To begin with, it's crucial to ensure that you have both Wpforms and Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. These plugins are powerful tools that bring a suite of features that elevate the functionality of your website. If they're not already installed, head over to the plugins section of your WordPress dashboard, search for Wpforms and Elementor, and install them. Make sure they're both activated before we proceed. Next, let's move on to creating a form in Wpforms. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Wpforms. Here, you'll see an option for Add New. Click on that, and you'll be taken to Wpforms' intuitive drag-and-drop builder. This user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to construct your ideal form. You can add fields by dragging them from the left sidebar into your form and customize them according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, don't forget to hit that Save button. This step ensures your changes are preserved and your form is ready to be used. Now, it's time to add the form you've just created to a page that uses Elementor. Start by choosing the page you want to work with and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, a spacious canvas that lets your creativity flow seamlessly. In the left sidebar of the Elementor editor, there's a search bar. Type in Wpforms, and the Wpforms widget should appear as an option. All you need to do is drag this widget to the section of your page where you want the form to be displayed. It's as simple as that. Just drag and drop. Once you've positioned the Wpforms widget, you'll need to tell it which form to display. In the Widget Settings panel on the left, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your newly created form. As soon as you make your selection, you'll see that your form appears right there on the page. This allows you to visually verify that everything looks just as you intend. Finally, take advantage of Elementor's design capabilities to style your form. You can adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and much more to make your form cohesive with the rest of your page design. Elementor's robust styling options provide you with the flexibility to create something truly unique and aligned with your brand. And there you have it, a form created in Wpforms successfully integrated and styled on an Elementor page. Following these steps ensures that your forms and pages work harmoniously together, enhancing not only functionality but also the flow and aesthetic of your site. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.